Good morning, folks. Hey, guess what? It's in the 20s and the Old Fisherman is fishing. Tough old codger, ain't he? Hey, but we out here, 25, 26, I don't know. Somewhere along there, maybe 28. But I don't care, it's cold. It's got a 2 in front of it, it's cold. Hey, we trying to catch some more fish on this lake in the cold weather, and the first drop. I got one to nail. That just goes to show you what cold weather fishing will do. Huh? The first drop in 49 foot of water, we got a nice one on. I don't want to hear. I can tell you this. No, we got 2 nice ones on. Monticello, oh my, what? Look at that. Already this morning. Y'all see how I'm wrapped up? Hey, 2 jumbo magnums, and guess what? I got this one on the Mardi Gras, which now is gonna be called Mardi Gras, because Old Fisherman don't know French. Hey, I never said I was good spelling or anything like that. I'm just a good fisherman. But anyhow, it's been brought to my attention that that's not Mardi Gras, or Mardi Gras, it's Mardi Gras. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I like Mardi Gras better. I think that's what we need to call it, Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras instead of Mardi Gras. But anyhow, hey, you live and learn. Hey, all I know is I read it off the pack and I didn't read it right. Hey, it's cold as a, you know what, a well digger's, you know what. It's cold. And I'm loving it. I love cold weather. They hardly ever do I fail on this kind of weather. I'm telling you, the fish eat it up when it gets cold like this. They eat it, slam up. And we're gonna tear them up. Look at that. Oh, Lord, I had a nutting already. There's a nut. Hey, they eat it, slam up when it's miserable. Y'all see the steam coming by and the wind blowing. Hey, y'all see that, right? Hey, oh my, a nice one too. It makes them big ones start biting when it gets cold. We got 3.5-inch jigs on here this morning. We got Mardi Gras. I swear I like Mardi Gras better. Anyhow, got Mardi Gras on, and hey, it caught 2 of them already. And the monkey shines on there too. Hey, 2 of my favorites. But they're all 1.5-inch jigs this morning. I got them on. I put another jig on Boom Daddy rod just to see if I can make a bend. I love making Boom Daddy bend. Hey, you got to love old Boom Daddy. Look at that, one's bumping it already. Already bumping. Look at that. Still bumping. We got him that time. Huh? We got him that time. They're biting today, people. We're gonna have a jumbo bonanza day to day. I can tell you that right now. From experience, the colder it is, the better it is. Look at him. Look at him. 2 jumbo magnums. I'm talking big perch. What? Big perch. Oh my. Mardi Gras got one. And let's see what I got up here. Oh yeah. Hey. We got some of these jigs on the blackhead, some of them on the whitehead. I don't think that makes a difference. Hey, drop it to the bottom where the big boys are lying. Hey, how you like my new jacket? I blowed my other jacket out in the boat last year. And hey, we got this one here, and it's a hydro pour. Hey, you know how I am with pronouncing things, so I don't know if it's that or not. But anyhow, I bought it at a Sportsman Warehouse yesterday. It's good on rain, wind. Hey, it's thin though. It's like a rain jacket, but I got all kind of stuff underneath. I got my regular jumpsuit pants on the bottom from H2O Express. So we got a little bit of H2O Academy Sports and a little bit of Sportsman Warehouse. Hey, you got to love that. Look at that. They're killing it. We done pulled right in on them this morning, right on this sun, and look at that Boom Daddy rod bend. Hey, We're gonna hold on with Bone Daddy today. I love catching them on Bone Daddy, especially when it's jumbo magnums like this. Oh my! Hey! Oh my! Look at that! 2 Monticello jumbos. Look at here! Huh? 2 of them. Doggone! I hope this thing ain't working right, cause I tell you it's foggy. I can't tell what I got out there. Hey! Monkey shine. 1/8 head, Orky head. Monkey shine. And hey, Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras. I still want to say grass. Mardi Gras. Monkey shine and Mardi Gras is going to work for me today. Hey, they working. Somebody said it sure be funny to have the Old Fisherman on laughing gas. Hey, if I had some of them helium balloons, I'd suck a little bit up. We talking helium. Y'all love that. Get me wired up talking in helium? Oh my God. That would be funny. I don't know what it'd do with me for my health though. Might knock the Old Fisherman out. But I got my new Flux sunglasses on, another style here this morning. And these are the FX21s. They're a lot different from others. I broke my others. I stepped right on them. I couldn't believe that. I stepped right on them. I like them other ones. I like the blue lens in these though. I don't like the frames. The frames are too big. It rubs against my face too much. But hey, it is what it is. Uh-oh. I don't see them now, but boy, I was on a load of fish there for a second. My goodness. I don't see them now. They left. See if we can stir them up again. We out here deep this morning. We almost 50 foot. But they were there for a second. They were good ones. They left. The whole school was under there. It's a few down there, but it ain't like it was. I got to call them back, I think is what it is. Hey, let's see if we can get them going. They done tapered off. Got to run them, call them back. They gone. All right. There comes a few. There comes a few. See what we can do with them. Boy, I love it when you drop right on and catch one of the first drop. You got to love that. Nothing hit it. Nothing hit it. I see them coming back now. Coming back. Stir it up. We ought to get one on this drop. Might have to take it off spot lock. It's blowing about 15 miles an hour across there. It's kind of windy. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, Lord, there he goes. Uh-oh. There goes a nut. There goes a nut. There goes a nut. This cold weather, bringing them fish up suspended, hitting on shad up there until the water gets really cold. I believe I got 3 good ones. Look at that Bone Daddy rod, would you? Look at that Bone Daddy rod. 3 at a time. What? Oh my. It don't take long when you get 3 at a time. Do it, Mardi Gras. I still like Mardi Gras the better. But anyhow. My apologies to the folks at Slaughter Jigs. I'm mispronouncing the darn name of the jig. Hey, but they don't care. Y'all probably get, if you order Mardi Gras, I'm sure they'll sell it to you. Found 2 khaki hats I had left, and we Miss Deborah put them on this last 2 I got. So if you want one of them 2 khaki hats, Old Fisherman hats, you better order it. But she put it up there last night. I'm not going to reorder them hats. Matter of fact, I don't know if I'm going to reorder anything. Too much daggone trouble is ordering all this merchandise, and it's not making that much. I ain't hauling nothing. Got me a new hat yesterday to go along with my my doggone new jacket. Got to look good out here. The Old Fisherman got to try to look good. Look yonder. Hey, we looking good catching fish, I can tell you that. They wide open this morning. I'm a really slow, hope I can get them done, but he ain't even shaking. I don't know what his deal is. Must be a little one or something. He ain't shaking. Might not catch him nothing. Fish ain't shaking. There you go, little one. That's why he ain't shaking. Throw back. Hey, they hit though. It never fails. It's starting to get that first cold snap. Brings that steam up, start changing the temperature of this water. Deep water fishing is on fire, especially with the wind blowing like this. But is she blowing? I mean, she blowing. Better hope spot lock holds up, because I don't know if I can work the boat in this wind. Thanks to all my fans that watch the Old Fisherman video. Make sure you tell your friends about the Old Fisherman, and make sure to subscribe. Don't cost you a dime to subscribe. Oh, Johnny's hitting it. Woo, is it cold? What? Is it cold? Guarantee you wouldn't be out here today without all this equipment, all the hat and all. Look yonder going. Huh, look yonder going. What? Look at yonder going. There he goes. There's a nut. There's a nut. Oh my. There's a nut. Come on in here, boy. Ain't a better feeling the sun in your eyes than a fish on the line. What? Oh, Lord have mercy. 3 at a time. Bone Daddy Rod is killing them this morning. Look at that. Jumbos. Huh? Jumbos. Hey, Dave. That there, my friend, is a whopper. Look at the size of that perch. Hey, this just as big. I normally don't use 3 jigs on Bone Daddy, but I had to put another jig on it. Look at that. Huh? I had to put another jig on it because I know 3 jigs. I'll probably break it. What's going to happen? But I noticed yesterday down at Academy Sports they got some more. So if I break it, I go get me another. I love Bone Daddy. I ain't gonna do without Bone Daddy. Nope. I ain't gonna do without Bone Daddy. Drop it to the bottom with a big boy's life. These glasses a little bit too big around. With all this stuff, it pushes in my face. Kind of aggravates me, but you got to have them. That wind in your eyes ain't good out here. Well, I've been putting all these videos together here lately. That's why the last 2's been in the morning. I work half the night to get them ready, and then I put them up. I let them work all night to go up, and then I put them up in the morning. So I don't know if y'all like them better in the morning or at night, but we swapping around. Maybe we can get a little bit better viewing if I put it some up in the morning too. People sitting in the house and watch and drink their coffee before they go to work and watch the Old Fisherman. Hey, we killed them this morning. They on fire, and they the jumbo magnum. They ain't them little baby mini mites. Most of them jumbos. Hey, 2 at a time this time. They killing. I'm telling you, they all over the bottom. The whole bottom all the way up, halfway up is just caked with fish. Millions of them. You wonder where they all at when you can't find them. That's what you wonder. It's funny how they lay out. I think they lay out in them trees. Some trees out there in the deep water, in the real deep water, 70 foot, 80, 90, full standing trees, and you can't drop these jigs around them trees, you get hung up. I had a fella said he drops it to the bottom like the Old Fisherman and gets hung up. Well, if you're fishing in a lake where you got trees, you can't fish like this. You just got to get where there ain't no trees. Out here, they cleaned all the ridges off and left the trees in the valleys, and I'm fishing on the ridges where there ain't no trees. That's the difference. There you go. Oh, they killing it, and they up too. They off the bottom. Them bigger fish in here off the bottom. We're in between 2 valleys or 2 points and a swell is where we at. Boy, look at the size. Look at the size. And guess what? Got him on Mardi Gras. What? Mardi Gras is killing them. Hey, it's a French jig. That's why it's killing them. Look at that. It's killing them, I tell you that. Mardi Gras is a good color. You can count on that one, buddy. It might not be a good color forever, but it's a good color now. We already got some big old jumbos, bigger than I caught the other day. These are good ones. We in 49 foot of water, right at 50. I'm telling you, they caked in here. It's two points coming out. It's like a little valley, like a little ditch coming running up in here, and they in that doggone ditch. They run in valleys like highways, and they push them shads up on the side of them points. So we out here in the fish highway is where we at. We're in the fish highway. Where we at? There he is. Oh, Lord, he hit it. He hit it. Oh, God, I missed him too. They come in and going though. They'll fade away and then they'll come back. You're gonna keep tapping on the boat. They ain't there like they was out on the fish finder. Boy, when they show up on that fish finder, they show up. Let me tell you, it's a big school up running around out there. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh my, there goes a nut. There goes a nut. Oh, do it, Boom Daddy, ride. Boy, y'all hear that wind? It is flat blowing. It is flat blowing. I hope this thing's recording. It'd be a shame if I'd be doing all this work for that. It's a shame. There you go. We got a nut though. Hey, we got a nut. I mean, we got a nut. Bring him on in here. I don't believe we got but one. Ain't got but one. Come in here, boy. Boy, when it gets cold, that wind comes out northeast. Them fish go to eating up in this lake. They go to eating up. Sometimes I'll pull these doggone jigs that swivel up into that eye because it's so long. Woo, is it cold? Shoot, we done caught. They eating on a little shad, same size as them doggone inch-and-a-half jigs. That's why they hitting them little jigs so good. Same size as shad. Didn't get down far enough that time. They're fading away again though. Shows the world. Hey, up there was a bite. There was a bite. There was a bite. There you go. There he goes. I tell you, when you don't get them that first time, you twitch it, bring it on up and down the nail. Uh-oh. We got a big fish, I believe. No, I think it might have a bass. No, I don't know what it is. No, got off. Whatever it was, got off. It was a big fish done swallowed this perch is what it was. Probably a big bass swallowed this little perch. That's what it was, unless Loney come out there. I had something big on it for a few seconds. I think it was a big bass swallowed that perch. I have caught them swallow them and lodge in the throat and bring them up like that, but that hardly ever happens. That was a big bass grabbed a hold of that perch. And they'll do that a lot. A lot of times I see them following them up, trying to get them a perch. All right. Oh, Lord, we're probably a little deep for the bass, I ain't sure. But they might be suspended above them. We almost 50 foot deep. I haven't been fishing this deep. It just so happened when I pulled out here on the side of that ridge, the wind blew me back before I started trolling motor, and I stopped right on them. Blowing, I'll tell you that. she blowing. Oh, there he was. Doggone it. They fading away though. I don't see them like I did. But they're right in here somewhere. You can rest assured of that. Old fingers is cold this morning. These little gloves, they ain't really thick. They ain't really thick, but I can operate this remote with them. There's one. There's one. There goes a nut. There goes a nut. There goes a nut. Oh my golly. Look how they going. Look at Bone Daddy. Oh my Bone Daddy. Ah, what you got? I don't believe I got but one knife. I ain't sure. He's pulling. One knife. Pulling like crazy. Come in here, boy. Come in here to the Old Fisherman. What I like about these slider jigs is you can catch a pile of fish on them before they tear up. They're durable, and you can't beat them for the money. They'll last. You can catch 100 fish on one jig. Keep threading and keep working it. Ain't many jigs like that out there. Most of them so soft they rip out. These don't rip out that bad. They got texture to them. I see some down there on the bottom again. Let's see if we can get one up. There he is. There he goes. There he goes. Oh my. There he goes. There's old Loney. Look at that in front of the boat. Old Loney done found me in the fog. Come in here, boy. Nice. Good, nice. This kind of days, nobody don't go fishing but the Old Fisherman. And these kind of days, you tear them up. Never fail. You tear them slam up. You need to put our little wind hood up. Hey, it's cold. That little hood helped though. That's the only thing I don't like about this jacket versus the other jacket I had last year that I lost, blew out the boat or something. The hood zipped off of it. The hood don't zip off of this, so that's when it's the days when you don't need the hood, it's gonna be hanging back there. And I ain't crazy about that, but hey, I can live with it. Look out it going. Already got a nut. Look out it going. Look out. Hey, they killing it, ain't they? They killing it. They on fire. They on fire. I don't know why I ain't catching 3 at a time, but I ain't. I was, but I ain't catching them 1 at a time now. 1 at a time. We catch some on Mardi Gras, and we catch some on the other jig, I can't even think anymore. Oh! Monkey shine. Can't think of monkey shine. Tell you, I haven't seen you a moment. My brain's broke, along with my body. I'll tell you one thing, you come out here without the proper clothes on today, you'll freeze your hiney off. You can't stand it. Don't even think you can come out here in this kind of weather without the proper clothes on. They got them big jumpsuits that's really good. The problem is they're so big and bulky you can't operate with them. So I like the thin stuff like this with the good jackets and fleece up underneath. And of course this little H2O jumpsuit, it ain't for $69 at Academy Sport. It ain't rainproof though, it'll wet you. They got them down there that's rainproof, but they say it is all weatherproof. But they $99 for the top, $99 for the bottoms. A little bit expensive. This blue jacket right here is $89 plus tax, so it ain't cheap. But I like the blue. It matches the blue of my boat, and it's lightweight, and I can wear it in most situations as long as I got enough jackets up underneath. These fish are starting to get used to it, and we're going to have to move around. Hey, but anyhow, thanks for being with the Old Fisherman on another episode of Loving Life. Hey, folks. Hey, hooked into another nice one. Turned the camera off for a little bit. The fish kind of disappeared. But we hooked into another nice one. Hey, we're going to bring him in and see if we can catch another one. See what we got. Bass. Bass. Got a bass. Let's grab it. Look at that. Old bass. Hey, on the monkey shine. Old bass. Hey, we're going to start the live well. That's the first bass I've caught. Look at that. Hey, nice little bass. Cute. All right, folks. We got a few coming back up under us. Hey, they went through a lull and they wouldn't bite. I got a few showing up now. Let's see if we can make any of them bite. Stay here. Hey, we got a few under there again. Maybe they'll start biting this time again. Hey, they bit for a little bit and then they quit. That ain't a big one. Oh, there goes a nutting though. Hey, there goes a nutting. I think it's schools moving around. We got another school coming up on us, what it is. Hey, we got a jumbo on there. We caught a jumbo. Oh my. Come in here, jumbo. Come in here, jumbo. 2 jumbo magnums. One of them caught inside the head. He sure didn't want it, did he? It's amazing. He sure didn't want it. Caught him inside the head. But we caught him. Hey, nice one. That right there is a big one. That right there is a big one. He got him on a 3-inch minnow. I changed around, put a 3-inch minnow on there just to see if they bite it. Hey, we caught one on it. See if we can get them that and drop it back down at the bottom where the big boys lie. See if we can get them going. Hey, you got to get them going. Them jokers is down there don't want to have feed. You ever get them under you, you can catch them. Hey, that was nice ones. Hopefully we can keep them up now. We're very close to where we caught them first time. I moved around and then I moved back to it. So we're about the same area we caught them first time a while ago. Couldn't find that nowhere else. So we can get a nut. Tell you, they ain't wanting to bite. They down there. I see them. Bunches of them right now in the 48 foot. That seems to be where we caught them earlier. I think we're exactly the same place. We can get them going again. They down there. I ought to get a bite as soon as I pull it up. Stay here. He nailed it. They suspended up. The big ones are. That's a good one. I'm thinking the bigger ones are up, roaming, and the little ones are laying on the bottom, don't want to bite. When I get that cloud of them that's coming up suspended, that's when I catch them. And that's the size, a good size. 2 nice ones. Look at that. Huh? 2 nice ones. That is a slab right there, buddy. That, my friend, is a jumbo. There ain't no bad one. Here ain't no bad one. We got one on the monkey shine and one on the Tennessee shad that time. We'll drop it back down. They seem to be hitting a little shad. We got a 3-inch minnow on the bottom, kind of with a blue tails. I had to look up the name. I don't know what the name is, all these jigs. But hey, let's drop it back down. We got them under us like hair on a dog's back. That's the way it was when I caught them earlier, right there. And I think that's the fish we're looking for right there. They're suspended up to about 34 foot. We're in 50 foot of water, but the fish are about 34 foot and then down. So they high. We drop it through them and pull it back up through them. Is what we're doing. There's the bottom. Let's see what we can do. Hey, oh. Hey, oh, they're hitting it up. Doggone, I missed it twice. I missed it twice. Drop it back down. Let's see if we can get a nut. There you go. Doggone it, they hit and not take it. I don't know why they're bumping and missing, but they all under there. I I think the wind's starting to calm down just a hair. It got so windy there I couldn't even fish. For a little being cold, warming up a touch. I mean a little touch. There he is. There he is. See if we can get another. Once we get one water, better get a couple more. Hey, that's what I'm trying anyhow. Boom, daddy rod. Hey, there goes another. There goes another. Boom, daddy. Get him, boy. Get him. Come on in here to daddy. I know we got one, maybe two. No, we ain't got but one big one. Doggone it, I can't believe that. They ain't hitting that 3-inch shad a minute. Actually, they hitting the doggone monkey shine the best, it looked to me like. What they hitting? Monkey shine. Uh-oh. I'm bad about pulling the eye up too much. I'm gonna tear my eyes up my rod. What I'm gonna do, boy, they down there. Hey, they down there. Drop it to the bottom. Folks, threw out there, and I finally caught a hook the little one, and on the way up, another grabbed it. So maybe I can stir them up and get them biting. They down there, they just ain't biting. Plenty of them there. One of them days you probably catch devil out of them on minnows. We finally got a couple on at one time. And they jumbo magnums too. Look at that, 3 at a time, jumbos. Them jokers is down there and not wanting to bite, is what it is. Not wanting to bite. 3 good ones. Look at that. Huh? 3 good ones. Took my jig off, pulled my jig up. Doggone it. All right, folks. Hey, the weather's getting a little bit nicer now. See if we can get back on some of these fish. We got retied up and everything. And hey, we're gonna try to catch a few more of them before we go home. We've got a good, probably got, I'm guessing 40 or so. Guessing. And then we got over a 5-gallon bucket full, I'll tell you that. No question in my mind. Hey, get on them and we catch a few and then they go away. There they are. There they are again. They want that joker pulling. Ain't no doubt about that. They want it pulling 45. You can sit there in the spot lot and you might not catch nothing. Catch a few and they quit. Then pulling, you get back on them again. Hey, that's a nice one right there. Monkey Shine. Super Dog Magnum. Hey, I'll take them kind all day long. Them pound perch. Pound perch. Look at that, pound perch. Look at that. We'll take them like that all day long. Hey, we got some. Well, it's been a good day. There's another. Hey, that's a nice one right there. That's a bass. Yep, old bass. Look at that. That's the way to end it, ain't it? We're going to end it on this bass. Hey, thanks for being with me on another episode of Love and Life and Old Bass. He done got it way down in his gear. Got to get it off of him. Hey, love and life and catching bass with the Old Fisherman. Hey, we'll see.